Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video is going to be a clean with me of my master bedroom. I'm happy you guys are able to hang out with me today. So I'm gonna change my sheets, make my bed, dust, and then vacuum my room. So I hope you guys get some cleaning motivation to also clean your home as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So let's start cleaning. So my room is fully clean. I think my next project is going to be under my bed. I have a few things stored underneath there, so I do need to clean that up as well. I'm going to give you guys a minute tour, so please enjoy. I hope you guys were able to get some good cleaning motivation from this video. I really enjoyed cleaning my room and getting my bed nice and tidy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you on my next one, and stay safe.